is gonna be really hard for me to watch. I'm such an
I
animal lover.
know. When I hear this music, my heart just sinks. And then to see this.
I watch so many videos like that on Instagram or TikTok or anywhere, so it's like...
This dog, what a terrible wound.
Who did that to you, sweetie?
I know. These animals are defenseless.
Look, okay, he's recovering. Oh my god.
And look at the poor little thing with this
And he's...
disabled.
He shows a lot of passion to it, like...
I know, he has a real spark.
I love to see how positive he is. Looks like he's really... Okay, this
Despite what this dog has been through, it just has this like will to. Oh, and they're really helping
come
him out.
back, and of course, thanks to all of these people that are surrounding him and helping him, because
And his
otherwise...
looks like the new family too.